Guys, Bitcoin is clearly breaking out right now, like we have discussed earlier today. And yeah, this is actually looking quite good. We also try right now at least to break above that resistance from that rising resistance of the megaphone pattern. And definitely the next major level right here could be 28 to 30,000 US dollars. So this can actually go quite quickly, guys. The only thing to watch right here is we did form a super nice inverse head and shoulders. We got that break, but now Bitcoin shouldn't break below this neckline again, and that neckline is at roughly 24,800. If we do get a daily close below that neckline, that would be not so good. Also because that is where the 200-day moving average is, right? How it looks right now is that at the end of this week, if we can maintain these levels, that Bitcoin get that close above the 200-week moving average. And that is actually massive, guys. That shows us that that 16-year cycle that we have been talking about might actually be in play. And so far it is working already perfectly, because we can see we had exactly at the top 1 year decline into the 4-year cycle low. And now we just, since the green zone started, which is the last part of the 16-year cycle, since we have that green zone, which is the season of buying, Bitcoin only went up. So yeah, we just got some more obstacles, like breaking the 200-week moving average. But like I said before, and I've made a lot of videos right here when Bitcoin was still trading at 15 and 16,000 US dollars. I'm personally super bullish on 2023, because we could be seeing this 16-year cycle playing out. Doesn't mean that we don't get corrections, but generally this will be a year, a season of buying, and maybe we get a little bit an extension. But I also do believe that this is the last chance for us to take some real profits on Bitcoin before we enter a multi-year long bear market. And that multi-year long bear market, that will count for Bitcoin, that will count for the regular financial markets. I'm seeing more than three cycles who actually tell that story. So therefore, I'm also very convinced about that, and I'm also going to prepare myself for that scenario, that I'm going to take profits at the end of this year, or at least at the end of this green box or in this yellow box right here. Depends on the extension. We will see that later this year, how it actually plays out. But to take profits and to prepare, to let that liquidity go into different assets, to prepare for that multi-year long bear market, because we already got a little bit of taste of that right here, but it will be a bigger one in magnitude right there. That's what I believe, guys. But right now it's still party time. Bitcoin is going up, and we just entered the green zone, so we still have a lot of months to go, right? But don't get caught up right here, just as you did probably right here. That is just what what I think is important, to keep an eye on the bigger picture. So yeah, guys, like I said, Bitcoin is breaking out, looking very good. I think we can reach 28 to 30,000 US dollars. If we are going to reach that in a couple of days, I will update you guys about that. This is going to be a very important moment, this line, what you can see right here. So I want to see what Bitcoin does whenever we touch that line, but also what the S&P 500 does whenever we touch that line. Because if we do see a break back below the 200-day, we might see some panic. Yeah, then we might see that also in Bitcoin. Just something to take in mind. Okay, guys, that was it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Just take in mind, Bitcoin should not lose 24,700 on the daily time frame, and it would really be awesome in the shorter term time frame to see something like this playing out, so that we also not clearly break back into that megaphone pattern again. Okay, guys, trade safely. I've just updated everyone on WhaleAlerts with that hidden gem that I'm watching. That is a very interesting altcoin with a huge potential, which right now has a market cap below 30 million US dollars. So for everyone interested in that, that information right now is on WhaleAlerts. If you want to join WhaleAlerts, make sure to go to whaleportal.com and go to WhaleAlerts. Join Bybit with the affiliate link down below. Submit your user ID and you will be added to the channel. Guys, I love you all very much. Thank you all for watching, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.